My name is Kaylie Jennings, and this is my D2 story. I went to Carlisle Foster's Grove Elementary School ever since my kindergarten year. I remember Miss Landrum. She was my art teacher. She's the one who really got me involved in art. She got me into the gifted art program. She was a very passionate person. I went to Rainbow Lake Middle School, and I was a part of the basketball team. I started my 7th grade year. I have a lot of memories from Rainbow Lake. My basketball teacher, Miss Gillespie, she was very tough, I would like to say, but looking back at it now, I really appreciate how tough she was and how hard she pushed me to become a better leader. A friend here that I really count on is Katie Delosier. She is my co-editor for the yearbook staff. Me and her this year, we have grown super close, and over the past 2 years we have been in yearbook together. This year we really bonded, and she is one person that she actually inspires me to be who I am. By working on the yearbook staff, I have formed a very strong relationship with my advisor, Miss Natalie Moore. This woman is an incredible person. She has inspired me so much. I have recently lost my mom, and she was the person that comforted me, that walked me through different steps of life, and also she's helped me with my relationship with God, and she's just a very inspirational woman to me, and she does that with not only myself but also with others as well. But over the years, me and her, we have bonded. We are at Miss Natalie Moore's room, and I am about to tell her that she is my District 2 difference maker.
Yes, sir. Oh dear Lord. I don't need a camera in my face. This is bad.
Well, they chose me to pick my District 2 difference maker, and you have changed my life so much, so I chose you because you have inspired me to be a better person and the person I am today. So I just wanted to go ahead and choose you. And I know there's so much that we have together.
Yeah, you're right.
In my future, I am planning on being a high school teacher. Being in yearbook, Miss Moore has really inspired me to be that kind of high school teacher, that teacher that cares about their students and wants them to be their very best. And I want to have that kind of relationship with my students. And my main goal, the reason why I really want to be a teacher, is because I want to push those students to be who they want to be and who they can be.